So today I want to tell you basically a bit about instrumental, what do we do, and basically what are the challenges that we faced with our existing infrastructure. To do that, I will show you the example of manufacturing ML project lifecycle. And based on it, we will see what are the usual challenges that ML team faces. After that, I will share the story of our migration from cluster to more container solutions. And finally, we will go over the lessons that we learned and takeaways. So first, a bit about instrumental. So instrumental works in manufacturing, and specifically, it works on optimizing manufacturing lines for different customers. Basically, we do that by allowing customers to use AI for the heavy lifting of finding defects. They can use instrumental to find defects both actively and proactively, finding unknown defects, known defects, but also providing an ability to drive corrective actions by running models on the line on our stations. That means that basically they can train the model, deploy it on the line, and the station will catch defects. If we take a step back, instrumental is effectively machine learning as a service company. So what are the usual requirements and challenges with infrastructure when you have machine learning as a service? So first is scale. You have to have large-scale model training and inference. Basically, you have to be able to train thousands of models per day for different customers. Next, your pipeline has to be flexible and work for different types of customers. Some customers may have like 10 images per day, some may have thousands of images per day, and models have to be robust. And finally, like robustness part, because models are running on the line, downtime on the line means that line is not working. And that means that like whatever we train in the cloud has to be fully supported on the edge device.